Hey guys, how's it going? Been wanting to do some videos about genetics, so here it goes. I'm Corbin, by the way, Logan behind the camera. And let me just start off by saying we're not by any means professionals when it comes to genetics. Neither I or him have any sort of formal education as far as genetics go. We just both picked it up from breeding pigeons and, studying things online. All the information we're going to share is already out there on the internet. It's our, there's several web pages where you can find it at, but there's really no videos at all, so we wanted to make some videos because I know people like watching videos. So, yeah. Basically, genetics is the inheritance of genes. It's an empirical study about characteristics and how they're inherited. And how you can track those genes. I know some of you are thinking, I've been breeding pigeons for X amount of years, why do I need to learn genetics now? Well, you don't need to. You can breed this color to that and get away just fine. But it can help you out. One of the guys I read from a lot, Ron Huntley, he talks about Homer people with pedigrees, and they just have things. They'll have pedigreed birds that make no sense whatsoever genetically, where either the person selling you the bird is lying or they're just mistaken. And it can help you out like that. We've had birds in our lock where we know that they got hit by somebody else just because it's not possible for them to produce what they produce. It's also useful if you want to produce your own stuff. If you want to produce a certain thing, like for instance, if you go through our videos, I'm doing white tipplers. I mean, it's a pretty simple thing, but you got to know what you're doing. To come up with that by accident probably isn't going to happen. But yeah, genetics can be a real useful thing. It's real fun once you get into it. I see a lot of people call me up. They want tipplers and they want blacks. They want red. They want this. And I tell them like, oh, I got that gene right here. I got this gene right here. All you got to do is breed this to that. People don't want to do the work. They just want to buy birds. Maybe they don't want to do it because they're lazy, or maybe they just don't know what they're doing. So hopefully through this video series, you will get some idea as to what you're doing with the birds, and it will make a lot of sense. And what we're going to talk about with genetics, it applies to all things, plants, humans, birds. And ours, of course, is going to be pigeon specific, but you can take these principles and apply it to anything else.